You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're doing an arithmetic series, but this time using sigma notation. What? We're going to talk about that. All right, so first of all, I have a question for you. How many numbers are there from 1 to 10? Would you agree that there are 10 numbers from 1 to 10, right? So, how many numbers are there from 0 to 10? Would you agree that there's 11 numbers from 0 to 10 because we include 0, right? So when you add all the numbers together, when you count from 0 to 10, you will have counted 11 numbers. How many numbers are there from 5 to 10? Now you might quickly think 5, but isn't it 6, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 6 numbers, right? So here's the thing. You might think, okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. That's correct. So you need to do that. You need to take 10 minus 5, and then you add 1, and it's 6. Same thing holds true here. What's 10 minus 0? 10 minus 0 is 10. Add 1 and you've got 11. Same thing is even here. What's 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay? So, how many numbers are there from 5 to 87? You take 87 minus 5, which is 82, add 1, you get 83, right? Okay, so in previous series, we would have a problem like this: 9, 3, 17, and so forth, okay? But today, we have this. We have sigma, where n equals 1 to 84, 4n plus 5. Meaning you start with 1 and you finish with 84. So you start by putting 1 in for n, right? If n is the number and 4n plus 5 is the expression, you do 4 times 1 plus 5, which is 9. 4 times 2 plus 5 is 13. 4 times 3 plus 5 is 17. And so on and so forth. But we're not going to make you do that, right? All the way to 84. 4 times 84 plus 5 is 341. The only two that you need is the first one, 4 times 1 plus 5. That's going to be your A1. And the last one, 4 times 84 plus 5 is 341. That's your AN. So now we use the same formula we've been using for arithmetic series. You do n times A1 plus AN, all divided by 2. So we do S of 84 is 84 times 9 plus 341 divided by 2, and you get 14,700. Okay. Over here, what if you have n equals 0 to 80? Sigma n equals 0 to 80 of 7n plus 3. Right? This time the first term is 7 times 0 plus 3. That's your A1. Okay. Your last one will be 7 times 80 plus 3. 563, that's your AN. Okay? So, please keep in mind that how many numbers are there? There's 81 numbers from 0 to 80, right? So it's going to be S81 because there's 81 numbers. Okay? So you do 81 times 3 plus 563, right? 3 was your A1 and 563 was your AN, right? Divided by 2 gives you 22,923. Okay? Here, look at this. We go sigma n equals 5 through 69. All right. Be careful because the first number is 5. So the first A1 is going to be 2 times 5 plus 3, which is 13. Right? And the last one will be 2 times 69 plus 3, which is 141. Now, keep in mind, how many numbers are there? All right, you got to do 69 minus 5, which is 64, plus 1 is 65, right? So n is 65. So we're going to do S of 65, which is 65 times 13 plus 141 divided by 2, which gives you 5,005. You've been watching the Weiss channel.